Hello, everyone. Hello. Welcome to another e-learning day. I almost said snow day, but there's no snow outside. Hey, look what I learned how to do. I'm trying to record a video from my phone, and I'm just doing a screen recording. And so it's really, really awesome. Okay. Here's the deal. We are moving on to chapter 5. When we get to school tomorrow, because I'm sure we'll have school tomorrow, or whenever we do have school next, I'm just going to give you an assignment that I want you guys to do. And so I'm expecting you to know how to do it based on this video. So watch it. Here goes. You are going to be asked to solve a triangle in chapter 5. And solving a triangle just means finding all its angles and all its sides. So I named a triangle ABC. And I said that little a is 3, little b is 4, and little c is 5. Okay? And so you're like, there's no drawing. There's no drawing. That's right. Because this chapter, you are supposed to know that the capital letters are the angles and the lowercase letters are the sides. And the sides are across from the angle. So like little a is across from big A. Little c is across from big C. And little b is across from big B. Got it? So now all I'm going to do is just label the sides. So I just put 3, 4, and 5 there. Now, the only one that has to be locked in is C, thanks to our Pythagorean theorem. C has to be the biggest side, so we are going to say that C is always going to be the hypotenuse. Got it? A and B, it doesn't matter which corner I put A and B on. So I just labeled the triangle 3, 4, 5. You all know that that's a Pythagorean triple. Now I'm going to do a little SOHCAHTOA. So SOHCAHTOA is definitely back, at least for this one section. And so I chose sine of angle A. I could have done any of them. I could have done sine, cosine, or tangent of A or B. Okay, so I just picked angle A, and I just did Oscar had. Then I did the inverse sine of 3/5 because that was O over H. And then my calculator told me that that angle was 36.9 degrees. I actually used my cell phone calculator and I don't have my glasses on, and so I'm hoping that I pressed the correct buttons. Next, you need to know that angle A plus angle B always equals 90 in a right triangle because angle C is such an angle hog that it takes up 90 degrees already. And every triangle is 180 degrees, which means that A plus B is 90. So that means if I know that angle A is 36.9, I can just subtract 90 minus 36.9 and get angle B to be 53.1 degrees. And now we have all the sides, 3, 4, 5, and we have all the angles, 36.9 and 53.1. You can watch that part of the video again. But wait, there's more. Okay, so let's do another problem, but this time I'm going to give you an angle. So let's say I wanted to solve triangle ABC if angle A is 20 and little a is 11. So here goes my triangle. I just drew triangle ABC. And I went ahead and put A in the same spot as before. The only one that matters is C, right? Capital C and little c. They have to be where they're at. A and B don't matter. I just picked them the same, okay? And so I put the numbers there. Then we know that angle A plus angle B equals 90. So that means that angle B has to be 70. I'm not even going to put it on the drawing because I'm not going to use it. But it said solve the triangle. That means find all the sides and all the angles. Next thing, SOHCAHTOA. So I'm going to find the sides by using sine of 20 equals 11 over C because that was Oscar had. Then I'm going to switch the C and the sine 20. I'm going to switch the C and the sine 20. So the C went over to the left and the sine 20 went down to the bottom because I got to solve for the side C. Okay, So it's 11 divided by the sine of 20. Then I'm going to use my calculator. And my calculator said that the sine of 20 was, I can't read that, 0.3420. Okay, so it was 0.3420. Then I'm going to punch in my calculator 11 divided by 0.3420 and get C to be 32.2. Now that's not degrees because that's the side of a triangle. So that's like inches or feet, you know. Okay, so 32.2 feet, we could say that is. Then you're thinking, oh, now what do I do? Now I can visit our friend Pythagoras. The Pythagorean theorem is going to give us the next equation that I'm going to write down. And of course that is 11 squared plus b squared equals 32.2 squared. Okay, so I use the answer from before, and I got 32.2, so I'm just going to square all those numbers. I got some big numbers. I subtracted and got 915.84 for b squared, but I don't want b squared, I want regular b. And then I do the square root of that, and I got 30.2 inches or feet, whatever we want to call it. Okay, so, sorry, my voice isn't warmed up, obviously. Did we find all the angles? Yes. Did we find all the sides? Most definitely yes. I think that's it. Yeah, that's my last slide, okay? So when we do have class next, I'm just going to give you like 6 problems. I'm just going to label them A, B, and C. I'm not even going to draw them, and I'm just going to say, all right, solve these triangles. And if you've watched this video, you'll know how to do it. If you haven't watched this video, and you're going to be lost, and I'm just going to say, hey, watch the video. Tough luck. But now, for those of you that are still watching this video, I present to you, wait a second, I present to you pictures from last night's game. Yes. All right, look at that. This is when one of our players said, not today, get that out. And he went swat. He swatted that ball and it flew. It just went, hey, there's a classmate, number 5, staring, looking at it, just saying, yeah, I get that. Oh, there he is. I forgot I had that picture. Ouch. Looks like he might have got hit. Cheerleader, cheerleader, cheerleader. Oh, do we remember this? Layup? Or was it going to be a dunk? Here we go. Let's find out. Oh, he's getting up pretty high. Oh, he decides for the layup. And he made it, right? Cheerleader says yes. There's somebody dribbling the basketball, being guarded very closely. Uh-oh. His hand went on the other side of the ball. And he's looking backwards. What'd I forget? And boom, the race is on. But that guy didn't make any points either. On that play, like that guy did. Hey, look at that. I'm checking in, coach. That's another teammate. Oh, yeah. Look at that guy. He just came down to the orphanage. He's just like, hey, guys, I'm going to come down here. You're wearing black and orange. And these guys are like, yeah, we are. Hey, there's another classmate. And, oh. And do we see any other class? Oh, yep. And, okay. Cheerleader. Oh, I even made a collage of that nice little episode. So anyway, there you are, and there you have it. I say to you, hopefully, good day.